All right, so we just showed you how to set up the bar floor plan. Now we're going to set up the dining room floor plan, which we're going to call, Ginny, let's use a imaginative name for this. Dining room?
Dining room.
There we go. So, and this is going to have two sections of 4 tables each. And we might go back into here a little bit later and maybe we might make it like 2 4s, a 6 top, and a 2 top in each section of this. We might mess around with that. So, but anyway, let's get this set up. So I guess we start with create a new floor plan, correct?
Yeah, we are starting again in the home page, the dashboard. If you're ever anywhere and you don't know how to get home, just type in home right in the search bar.
Yeah, that was a great discovery.
Yeah. So again, to get to floor plans, just like we did in the bar, we're going to search floor plans in the search button there, search area.
4:29 p.m.
Floor plans.
Notification. 4:29 p.m. Cellular.
Okay. All right, so we're back here. There's our bar floor plan that we made, and now we're going to create another floor plan. So we're going to click over here on the right, create a floor plan. All right, Bill, what are we going to call this? We said
we said a lot late last night. I think we came up with the room dining room. The name dining room.
Okay, there's the name of our floor plan. Okay, so again, what we have to do first is to add the section over here. We see we have our bar sections here already. But we have to create the dining room sections before and then put them onto the floor.
So that's interesting. So the sections you've created are all over there. So if you wanted to duplicate them or something like that, you could drop them in.
Yeah, although they're called bar section.
Oh, yeah.
So anyway, they keep the sections you've already made. They keep them there.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to add a new section. Okay. This first section, Bill, is going to be called what?
Dining room section 1.
Okay. Do we want to call it DR just to make it a little easier to?
Sure.
Okay, that'll make it easier.
Yeah, a little shorter there. Yeah.
Okay, and again, we're going to let them automatically name the table for us.
Number of the tables and name the table.
Excuse me, automatic table name.
Okay.
And then they number them that way.
Okay.
All right, and how many tables did you say? I'm sorry.
We're going to do 4 tables in this section. Yeah.
So it's going to show us, you see it named our tables DR section 1, 2, DR section 1, 1, 1, excuse me, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So that's done. So there we have our new dining room sections, okay?
All right, great.
So we're going to click on this one. It's going to open over here. Do you want square or circular section?
Did you do both sections?
I just did the one.
I did the one, okay.
Uh-huh.
So let's make something that looks like a round table for 6.
Okay.
2 4 tops.
Okay, wait 1 second. I'm going to do them one at a time, okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So I'm working on the first table here.
Mm-hmm.
So a round section for 6, maybe it'd be a little bit different width and height. Maybe it'll see what happens if we make it 12 by 8.
If it's round, can you make it just 5 foot a diameter?
It's not, 8 seems to be the lowest number.
Okay.
So, all right. So that's what it asked, 8. Let's see. Where is that guy? Oh, it's underneath here. Okay, so there's a round table that's 8 by 8.
That's just so hard because I'm so used to using social tables where everything's a specific size. But I got to remember we're just creating pictures here, basically.
Right. Okay. So I'm gonna drag this other. I'm gonna click on him. You click on it, and then you can drag it around. You want this? Do you want this also to be round, 8 by 8, Bill?
No, it's two rectangular 4 tops.
Okay. Again, we're just going by size right now.
Yeah. So make them I don't know 12 by 12 because we're going to make a 2 top as well. Make that 8 by 8. I got to believe that there's some way of getting smaller things in here, but we'll just we're just doing by relative size.
Okay. So we have a little round table. That's 8 by 8, and then we have a larger table, square table that's 12 by 12.
Okay, good.
I don't know if that is realistic or not, but that's what we got.
But we have 4 tables in that section.
Well, we're going to have 4.
Okay.
All right. You want to make the next table 3 to match the circle or the square?
The square, please.
Okay, so we're going to make that also 12 by 12. Oops, not 12 by 128. Look at that, did it. All right. And then we're going to click on the fourth table. You want that to be a round one to match the other one, or a square?
I want this to be the two top, right? The 8 by 8.
Okay, well, it's
Square.
already 8 by 8, so we're going to leave that.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a round, a square, and a smaller square.
So what table number in this section is the round 6 top?
Well, we have the round is the dining. It says DR section 1-1, so it's table 1.
Table 1 in that section, okay.
Mhm.
And then what are the two 4 tops, the 12 by 12?
DR section 1-2, DR section 1-3.
Okay, and then the
The smaller square,
smaller square is DR section 4.
1-4.
1-4, I mean. Good. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So we want to kind of create it's the same thing.
Okay, we're going to add a new section,
Yeah.
and maybe call this DR section 2.
We are so creative. Actually, you don't want to be creative here.
Again, 4 tops. I mean, 4 of them, or what do you want to make?
Yeah, same thing. Same range, mirror, sort of a mirror image there.
Okay. So there's my dining room section 2. I can bring them all over. Did you want them?
Were you able to just duplicate? You couldn't just duplicate dining room section 1 and put it in there, right? Could you? There's probably a way to do it. Let's not worry about it. It's just.
It looks like that's used already. It has it's whited out, so to speak.
Yeah.
So that's already.
I didn't know if you could somehow grab the tables from there and duplicate them into section 2, but.
No, but it's really pretty simple
Okay.
to.
Yeah, and you're only gonna be doing your floor plan one time. I mean, it's not,
So I'm going to make these the same as the other 12 by 12 for these guys here.
unless you're setting up a banquet or something like that, which is, which is possible because, a lot of weddings we've been to recently, you got to actually order from the menu. So you'd want to have your table settings, your tables numbered and that kind of stuff on a floor plan like this for your point of sale system.
Okay, and that's ready to go.
Okay.
Okay,
So that's what we're going to have. That's going to be our 2 sections.
and then very important, you got to save it.
Oh, yeah.
Upper right corner here is save.
This is your last name, Bar and Grill. You've got basically two rooms here.
Yeah, after you save it, it takes you back to the floor plan homepage, if you will,
Okay.
where it shows us the bar. There's the bar. And then it shows us the dining room, kind of pulls it up from the bottom, and there they go.
Okay, good. All right. This is a wrap.
Okay.